You're in my kitchen again. I didn't know any better. I think you're stalking me. You're not. All right, let's make some scrambled eggs today. Super simple, in theory. I love traveling. I've traveled all over the world. And sometimes you go to hotels and their eggs are just water and an egg. And you're like, this isn't real. This is probably a powder. But there are times when you get an egg and you're like, this is so good. Why can't I make an egg like that? And then you realize you're not a good chef, but let's learn. And we'll make some today. Ugh, I hate flavored coffee. Super simple ingredients for this one. You're gonna need 4 eggs, some butter, and optionally some salt, which I didn't include in this recipe. All right, so you've got your 4 eggs. All right, 4 eggs. Put them in a mixing bowl. All right, beat those things. Now really the trick here is that you want to beat them until you can't tell where one egg starts and another one begins. No, wait, that's not the phrase. Where one ends and another one begins. All right, now get your pan really, really hot. Butter it down and pour in that sweet, sweet egg mixture. The trick here is that you really want to not stop. Okay, I stopped. But don't do what I did. Don't stop mixing it. Just keep going. That'll keep the texture good. Eventually, you're going to get something that resembles some incredible eggs. All right, this is not sponsored. Bluey did not sponsor us. I just had kids, and this is the best plate that I had. All right, here we go. Boom. I'm talking about. Woo! That's still hot. That's fogging up the lens. Tell you what. What do you think? Strawberry? A morning breakfast thing, yeah? What do you think? Throw some strawberries out there? Oh, yeah. I mean, that's what we're talking about. I mean, that's festive. All right, let's give this a go. Bluey not sponsored. That's good. Wow, that's really good. Man, never going back to my old ways. Wow, that's just incredible. It's really good. It's really good. We should try this. If you come to my house, I'm gonna cook you eggs. I probably won't. I'll probably just ask you to leave.